Llai is not an easy place to come. Last time Porthmadog came here, we lost 2-1, but today it's a 4-1 result against a strong side as well, Chris.
Yeah, tough place to come. We spoke about it a lot before the game. You know, just because they haven't had the best of starts, they're still a good side. Obviously, they were in the league above last season. And I've got to say, I think the first 20-25 minutes was the best we played this season so far. We set out a game plan for them that they stuck to. How every single player did it in the first half, and I think it worked time and time again. Obviously, we were really clinical in front of goal. They had moments at different times in the game, which is always going to happen when you're away from home. But yeah, no complaints overall. Brilliant performance and good win.
3 goals in the first half, which is a good start as well. But the second half faltered a bit and finished at 1-1. Any thoughts on the second half?
When you're 3-0 up, and obviously we were downhill second half, you've sort of just got to manage the game a little bit more. I think we had opportunities on the counter attack. We could have, if we took a little bit more care, maybe scored some more goals. But when you get to 3-4-0, it's obviously about managing the game and just seeing it out. But a big pleasing factor as well, 4 different scorers and 2 of the goals from set pieces. I'm always talking about when we concede from set pieces, but we were rock solid today and scored 2 good goals from it.
And headers, 2 headers, clinical headers as well, which is a rarity for Porthmadog goals.
Playing to Danny there, and obviously Danny's a quick technical forward, and he scored 2 headers so far, so still a lot more to come from him. But yeah, great to score from set pieces, 2 goals there.
Denby on the horizon in the Welsh Cup. Your thoughts on that game?
Big challenge, obviously they're from the top side from the league above, so you know it's tough as it gets really. But we'll have a game plan for it, and we're at home in front of our own support, so we'll go and give it everything we can.
We look forward to that. Diolch, Chris.
Diolch, Dil.